Hey everyone, it's Phoebe here from PhoebeFazio.com, and I am excited about toning in Scotland. And if that is exciting to you, I hope you'll join me. We don't have dates or details or anything, but we're just gathering people that are interested. So if you are interested, there's a link in the description below to just put your name in. It's not an obligation, just showing me you're interested, and it'll be fun to see where this goes. I've been feeling the Scotland thing for months, and I've been busy doing other things, and now it's fun to announce it. So we're going to do a sound washing today for Scotland. I hope you'll consider joining us. This will be amazing. We go making sounds at sacred sites, castles, beautiful sacred sites in Scotland. You could even include, send me a little email and say your favorite sites if you've been to Scotland. Any ideas will be welcomed. And if you've never been to Scotland like me, it's going to be an adventure. I can't wait. So here you go, a sound washing for Scotland. Enjoy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much for being here, for listening. If you're not already on my email list, you can go ahead and sign up, PhoebeFazio.com, to get the regular sound washings and other updates. And as I mentioned, if you're interested in going to Scotland, go ahead and hop on that list. I have lots of other things I'll post down below if you're interested. And you can subscribe to my channel on YouTube. If you're finding me on YouTube and you want to go to the website, you can go back and forth. So anyway, whichever way you enjoy these, thank you so much for being here and listening to these sounds and allowing the sounds to wash over and through you and allowing them to heal the earth and our world just by being who you are. So thank you. Thank you again. Looking forward to more sound washings and learning more about Scotland. See you next time. Bye.